Hi alle sammen, hello everyone. Today we will talk about the Norwegian alphabet. The alphabet is the foundation of a language. Mastering the Norwegian alphabet will help you learn to write and read the language faster. Here we will teach you how to write and pronounce the Norwegian alphabet to help you have a solid foundation for building your Norwegian language skills. The Norwegian alphabet has 29 letters, 20 consonants, and 9 vowels. Except for 3 letters, those are a, a, and o. Except for these 3 letters, the Norwegian alphabet is the same as the English alphabet, Latin. The a is pronounced like the a when you say the English word sad. A, sad. The sound, is pronounced like when you pronounce the word burn. Uh, burn. The O letter is pronounced like Lord. O, Lord. O. Here are the letters in the Norwegian alphabet. A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z, A, A, Ö, Ö, O, O. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Æ, Ø, Å. The 9 vowels in the Norwegian alphabet are A, A, E, E, I, I, O, O, U, U, Y, Y, Æ, Æ, Ø, Ø, Å, Å. The Norwegian letter Å was introduced in 1917, replacing A with the same pronunciation, Å. However, many personal names still use this old way of writing A together, because A has the same pronunciation as Å. Norwegian personal names written differently are pronounced the same. Examples here are Kåre, 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 man's name. Åse, 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 woman's name. These names are written differently but pronounced the same. Here are some examples of Norwegian words that use Æ, Ø, Ø, Å, Å. Ærbødighet, 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 respect. Ære, 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 honor. Ærekrenkelse, 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 defamation. Ærlig, 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 honest. Ødelegge, 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 destroy. Økonomi, 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 economy. Øl, 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 beer. Øre, 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 ear. År, 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 year. Årsak, 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 reason. Åse, 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 woman's name. Åtte, 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 8. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no. nlsnorwegian.no.